Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools and permissions you need now. Enable unknown sources so you can install a custom font APK and install a file manager with root or system access if required. Once done, download a trusted iPhone-style emoji font APK that matches your Android version. Make sure it's for Samsung One UI compatibility. Also back up your current fonts and note your Android build and model. This avoids mismatches and gives you a restore point if anything goes wrong. You will now swap the emoji assets or apply them via an installer app. This is the complex middle step. If using a font installer, grant it the listed permissions and choose the iPhone-style emoji set. If you have root, navigate to /system/fonts, rename originals, and copy in the new font files, matching names exactly and setting permissions to RWRR. Once done, clear app caches and keychain equivalents. Then reboot the device so the system loads the new glyphs correctly and consistently. You finish by verifying and addressing problems. Test in multiple apps to ensure the iPhone emoji appear everywhere. If you see tofu boxes or wrong glyphs, make sure the APK matches your OS version and restore your backup if necessary. Once done, make sure to reboot again and check for keyboard or app-specific emoji settings. If things still fail, reboot to safe mode to see if a third-party keyboard or theming app conflicts. That often isolates the issue and guides the next corrective step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.